I'm constantly amazed at the people in this community. Um, Guitar building it's a long process. It's a journey, and I think a lot of us that invest the patience and the time and the learning to do it for cathartic reasons. And maybe that has something to do with why most people that I see that are builders are just some of the best people. Um, from, just uh, like Facebook groups, and I mean, every place I see little communities of guitar builders, they're just, everybody wants to help out, and everybody's, well, not everybody. Once in a while you run into a crazy douche who just wants to bitch about tone wood or whatever. But aside from a very small number of people that argue about stupid junk, overwhelmingly guitar builders just, it's a fantastic community of people. It never ceases to amaze me. And Great Guitar Build-Off brought out a lot of the best of us. Yeah, well, anyway, buddy Ty over at Shock the Fox sent me a gift the other day. I don't know what I'm doing after Great Guitar Build-Off just yet, but I know what I'm doing it with. So, yeah. Whatever the next project is, it's going to be quilted maple. So, huge thanks to Ty. This is unbelievable. I have dreamed for years of doing a quilted top ever since I saw one and it looked like the bottom of a swimming pool. It's been the holy grail of guitar building for me. So, super huge thanks and shout out to Ty. And I'll put a link in the description so you can go check out his channel, because you really need to. He does some cool stuff, and he deserves, some patronage. So, anyway, yeah. All hail the guitar builders of the world. Like, subscribe.